Hello, naaday ta sa Temple of Leia. Karon amo nang gisulob ang bracelet tag. Kay dili man ta kasud kung dili nato isulob ang ato ang bracelet tag before ta mo sulod. Okay? Karon naa pa ta sa gawas ato sa ining suroy-suroyon ug unsay makita nato nga nindot nga view diri sa gawas. Karon naa mi diri sa Tampi. Nindot kaayo tan-awon ang mga building, dagat, mga bungtod. Nindot kayo siya tan-awon niya ang mga dahon green sad kaayo. Tanawa guys, ang init guys landong diring dapita dito sa unahan, init kaayo. Okay, so karon naa pa ta sa gawas, mga ta karong kaod-kaod sa sud. The Temple of Leia, located at Barangay Busay and Cebu City, often compared to the Taj Mahal, is a monument of love built by Chuderico Soriano Adarna for his late wife, Leia Villa Albino Adarna. Then this grand structure, which started construction in 2012 in Barangay Busay, is a tribute to their over 50-year marriage and his connection to Philippine celebrity Aileen Adarna, their granddaughter. So ang sulod ani ang temple is encompassing 24 chambers, including a library, art gallery, and museum. The temple showcases statue of lions, angels, and permanent 10-foot statue of Leia. This site symbolizes enduring love and Cebu's rich cultural heritage, making it a compelling visit for those exploring Cebu tourist spots. Karon, hinay-hinay na tagsaka sa hagdan kay magpa-picture ta ni Temple of Leia. So magpaabot sa ta kay inaapa may ni pusing. Sunod na pod kitay mo pusing. So ato lang sad silang lantawon. So, beloved wife and mother, Leia Villa Albino Adarna was chosen matron queen of Alma Mater, the University of Southern Philippines. The 9-foot bronze statue portrays her composure and legal bearing when he was crowned. Maybe the holder discerned her innate beauty. Atong mga picture diri di si Michael Jackson ragid in town, may among nailhan diri sa mga picture nga gipang display. Okay, so mangita taglain o kini. Wa gid sad ni kailaan ni kinsa ni sila. Mga pictura. Okay, ngarita sa plato dako ka istanan. Okay, naasad sila diri. Dako kaayong banga amo ta nin tan-awon unsay naiso unsay sod ani niya di mami kaabot kay taas ka istanan. Lain da ini color ilang banga na ay gamay nga banga na ay dako nga banga. Grabe uy ka mga nindot na mangyud og style or design sa ilang mga figurine guys. Okay, so kana makahuna-huna man sabta atong kanang ungo-ungo ba kanang naiaswang igli-ili nato sa ilawom sa banga nga antik nga karaan na ay mugawas ug kini unsa man sab ni nagngangaman ni mura manig kanang dragon nga gamay kinao hindot kay silag mga figurine na ilang mga banga sus dagko is tanan di gud ko hapit kalili og unsay sud sa ilang banga god. Okay, so naasay mga figurine nga gamay kisa kaning mga tawhana wa jud ko kailaan ning mga tawhana. Okay, so karon nga rin nasad ta sa ubos sangka ni naay figure naay plato nga dako ka istanan di good hapit mahakop nga ipat kuan lang ang kamot ipaimabaw parang inuo karon tanawa na sa ibanga na taas kaayo nga dako na indot ra ba kay color na mura manig si kuan Cinderella nya karon din na pod na ikaban unsa kay sud aning kaban kayamanan. Okay, so kisa kaning bayhan na umuram ning artista. Okay, so diri kining lingkuranan antik sa kining lingkuranan dili ko ni palingkuran. Okay, so din na pod na irelo sila antique gold
Ato ka ni ibaligya, oy kamahal ka na ibaligya o na napod ka nanasay ka ng figurine sila. Na mao siguro ni si Kuan si Leia. Woman ni nagbra si Leia on taon oy. Hinay, isa na bata gusto gid siguro ni magpakugos ang bata. Ya, di gid mako ano diri na sad tanan nasay mga banga diri no, lain-laing style nga banga. Kini unsa may ngan ani? Nga naam ni kabayo sa mabaw. Okay, so gignitoy kay istan napoy sinina kinsa kay nagsulo ba ning sinina nga puwa muram nig sinina ni Imelda Marcos. Na pero nindot biya siya tan-awon, baya nindot siya og tela. Wala na sa ibang sa mga figurine diri So the entrance fee as of July 2024, the entrance fee for the Temple of Leia in Cebu City is when weekdays is 120 pesos per person, while the weekends is 150 pesos per person. Then you can park your car for 50 pesos only. Then how to get there? So first is taxi or ride-hailing apps. Easily the most convenient option, taxis or apps like Grab offer direct travel from your location in the city to the temple. And the second choice is the private car. Navigate using Google Maps to the temple, which is a bit step but well signposted. Parking space is available at the site. And the third choice is the jeepney. Take a jeepney as a public transport from downtown Cebu City to GY Square Mall, then switch to jeepney, habal-habal, or motorcycle taxi to Barangay Busay. So, ang amo din gisakyan ani guys is habal-habal. Ang among pliti is 300 back and forth. Din, mahal sad siya, pero okay naman kasi nindot sad nga tuog view. Then, the fourth one is a private tour.
Okay na.
Considered booking in Cebu tour package for the convenient and hassle-free experience. This package often includes transportation to key attractions like the Temple of Leia and other notable sites in Cebu City. Then the best time to visit at Temple of Leia in Cebu City is during the dry season from December to May. This period often clear weather, enhancing your experience. Weekdays are typically less crowded, providing more serene visits. Early or late afternoons are ideal for color temperature and better photography opportunities at the Barangay Busay landmark. For precise direction, you can use Google Maps for searching for Temple of Leia. At night, the Temple of Leia in Cebu City becomes a breathtaking spectacle with its illuminated architecture and statues offering a serene and magical ambience in Barangay Busay. The story behind the Temple of Leia. The Temple of Leia in Cebu City, built by Chuderico Soriano Adarna for his late wife, Leia Velia Albeno Adarna, symbolizes his undying love and devotion. Started in 2012 in Barangay Busay, this architectural marvel opened like to the Taj Mahal, serves as both a mausoleum and a museum, showcasing Leia's life and legacy through statues, an art gallery, and a permanent statue of Leia. The temple is a testament to their over 5-decade-long marriage, now a significant cultural and historical site in Cebu. What makes Temple of Leia unique? The Temple of Leia in Cebu City stands out the majestic Greek and Roman-inspired architecture and its role as a symbol of undying love, akin to the Taj Mahal. Unique features include an art gallery, statues, and the grand 10-foot statue of Leia Velia Albino Adarna, all within the scenic Barangay Busay. This combination of architectural grandeur and deep personal significance makes it a unique historical and cultural landmark in Cebu. Who is the statue in the Temple of Leia? The permanent statue in the Temple of Leia in Cebu City is of Leia Velia Albino Adarna, the late wife of Chudorico Soriano Adarna, who built the temple in her honor. This 10-foot statue is a central feature of the temple, symbolizing Chudorico's undying love and adding to the site's cultural and historical significance in Barangay Busay. What does the Leia statue mean? The 10-foot statue of Leia Velia Albino Adarna in the Temple of Leia Cebu City symbolizes Chudorico Soriano Adarna's undying love and devotion to his late wife. Situated in Barangay Busay, this permanent statue is the temple centerpiece, often likened to the Taj Mahal, and it represents a significant cultural and historical landmark in the Philippines. How do you go to Temple of Leia from Cebu City? Then to reach the Temple of Leia from Cebu City, take a taxi or ride-hailing service like Grab for 30 to 40 minutes drive. In driving, go north towards Cebu Transcendental Highway via Salinas Drive and Joy Square Mall, then follow the highway to Barangay Busay. Alternatively, take a jeepney to GY Square Mall, a habal-habal or motorcycle taxi, or other jeepney directed to the temple. Does Ellen Adarna or Philippine celebrity own the Temple of Leia? The answer is no. Ellen Adarna does not own the Temple of Leia. It was built by her grandfather, Chudorico Soriano Adarna, as a tribute to his late wife, Leia Velia Albino Adarna. The temple is a family monument and not under by Ellen Adarna's ownership. That's all for the story behind the Temple of Leia. Thank you for watching and listening for my story. Until the next video. Bye guys! Hanggang sa susunod na video. God bless to all!